In this video we're taking an honest look at Nexo, one of the most talked about crypto lending platforms. Nexo allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings and borrow cash or stablecoins without selling their assets. It's marketed as simple and secure with competitive rates and instant transactions, but there's more beneath the surface. Interest rates depend heavily on your loyalty tier and the amount of Nexo tokens you hold, meaning the best returns often require locking into their ecosystem. While Nexo claims insurance coverage through third-party custodians like Ledger and Bakkt, users should understand this isn't direct FDIC or government-backed protection. The platform's track record is generally solid, with millions of users and strong liquidity, but as with all centralized crypto platforms, trust and regulatory clarity are still evolving factors. Withdrawals and interest payouts are smooth, but transparency about reserve management could be better. For passive income seekers, Nexo offers convenience, but always weigh the risks of lending crypto on any custodial service. Stay informed, do your due diligence, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Subscribe for more clear, unbiased tech and crypto reviews you can actually trust.